What's up guys, Metal Unboxing here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a gameplay on the Samsung Galaxy A10s. I'm currently using the Samsung Galaxy A10s to record this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below of what you think about the video quality. So in today's video I'm going to be playing 3 games, which are Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG Mobile and Vector, and I'll be playing each game for 30 minutes. What's up guys, it's Michael from Media Unboxing, where I help you to make decisions in buying budget smartphone and gadgets. If you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button below and turn on post notification. So if you haven't watched the unboxing and review of the Samsung Galaxy A10s, I'll leave a link in the description below so you'll be able to watch it. While playing Call of Duty, the graphics was set to low and the frame rate was set to medium, and it was stable and there was no much lag. You can change the frame rate to low so everything will run smoothly on this device. While playing Call of Duty from 100%, it only took 5% of 30 minutes of gaming on this device. I couldn't play PUBG because it requires some updates, which was around 800 MB, and I don't have enough data to update that now. While gaming on this device, I noticed the phone wasn't getting really hot, and also while playing Vector, it was really stable and it was in low graphics too. Then while playing Vector, it only took 4% of this device, leaving it at 91% of 1 hour of gaming on this device. So guys, thanks for watching today's video. Hope you really enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and like, share and comment. See you on my next video. Peace.